You want me to drive your car?
If you can reach the pedals, you can drive.
I can play Angry Birds.
What?
We are out here in Poland, Driftmasters GP, round 4.
This place is insane.
So it's about to go down, they're practicing, and then the qualifying, and then tomorrow the main competition. We've never been to Europe, so let's see what European professional drifting is all about. That's just a little taste. We're excited to be here in Poland. We're excited to be at Driftmasters GP. So we're going to walk the pits in a little bit, but we want to watch some of this.
Gotta watch it. Wheels on the wall.
Photographer now?
Wheels on the wall. Yo, what is that? I'm confused, but I'm into it.
Sil 80 truck. Yeah, I will say these Red Bull Falcon tire hybrid liveries are pretty tight.
I love that E30.
Yeah,
so
that's
sick.
pretty dope.
You better back it up.
We'll
They
see.
look good.
Yeah, we'll see what they got.
Hi, buddy.
What are you doing here?
Oh, you know, just hanging out in Poland.
Poland?
Yeah.
You like it?
I feel like I just saw you last week.
It's kind of like that every second week, man. It's pretty cool.
How do you like the track?
The track is fun, yeah. We have a power steering issue. It seems to be following me around this year.
Is it electronic?
Electronic.
I always forget how tall you are until you get out. Hold on.
Yeah.
I got this low angle on you.
But enough about us. Can we just see the under the hood real quick?
Sweet. Falcon tires S14, pretty similar to the Warthog's Drift Team S15 in the States. 2JZ, Borg Warner turbo, hypertune manifold. It's not a small baby shot of nitrous under here.
Just a little baby.
Yeah, just a little taster. So
Just a little bit.
it's about 200 horsepower shy of the S15, but
Still parties.
still really good.
Hell yeah, man.
We're running 265s over here, where in the States we're running 295s. So it balances out quite well.
The power of the grip. Yeah.
Yeah, wise field suspension, all the usual shrink parts. We got nice forged, custom-made intercoolers, radiator.
So you drive multiple events in multiple countries and multiple times a month. How do you maintain like the feel between all your cars?
It's just fun, man. That's what I like about it most. You know, you get in the car, like first lap today was my first time driving this. I know it's not a long time ago, but 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But getting from the S15 straight into this is fun. They're both similar enough, so it's not too big a deal.
And
but
we saw his first lap. It looked like he was comfortable.
So we have the competition tomorrow. Fly directly to Liverpool for drift shifters with Red Bull, and I'm driving my Mazda RX-7. that car is a lot different because it's so wide, so short, and a good old SR.
Thanks for showing us this, Johnny.
Pleasure, man.
We're excited to see you at Drift Shifters. First and foremost, good luck this weekend.
Absolutely awesome to have you guys here.
Yeah, boy. We're gonna check out the hot pink S14 right next to you. S15. You know what I meant. Mind if we
hooligans about your car?
No, this car looks awesome. It's nice to see a hot pink. No, come on, tell me about this. I want to know about this. What's going on down here? That's a rare mod.
What?
Yeah.
This is RB25.
RB25?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it, yeah.
Nice dry some.
How many RPM?
9,000.
9,000 RPMs? And how much horsepower?
About 700.
Okay. Very nice, man. It's fun to watch you drive. This looks like it belongs in a video game. It's awesome. So good. Thank you.
Good luck, man.
Oh, are you doing the Ric Flair walk? Or are you just dying?
I'm just dying.
Woo! Jeez. Just look at this thing, man. Hello, sir. Sorry to ambush you with the camera, but we saw your car out there and we immediately said we have to find this person.
Thank you very much.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Can you tell us about it?
Engine S7.
Can we see it? Can we see it? Sorry if you're busy. We just...
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Everything.
Look, his head mounts work. He doesn't have to hold his hood up.
It's a Mercedes, all right? This is some classy drifting.
Car for every day.
Yeah.
Car for every day.
This is a LS7, you said?
LS7, my mechanics do something with this engine.
Do you know how much horsepower?
600.
Nice.
Not bad.
Nice. So it's a nice, clean LS7. Probably works all the time.
It's a very easy engine
Yeah.
for using.
Right.
And,
did you have to do anything crazy to make this thing drive? Like
Supra.
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 super suspension, front and rear?
No, the rear is Nissan.
Oh, wow. So this is a hybrid machine.
Of everything.
But now we build a new suspension front special for Mercedes.
Wow.
Because we have a custom.
Yeah.
I see. Well, that's cool. That's legal here. And you know,
In this year, yes, but the next year it's a problem.
so you got to change it to fit for next year.
Well, if you want to sell this car, then.
Rear raid.
Oh, dude, the fuel setup and everything back here. Take a look at this.
Woo.
Wow.
Why are we such peasants, Dan? Why are we such peasants? Dang, man. That's dope. I love Europe because all these cars are so different. Dang. Little red baseball glove dash or whatever. This is a fancy race car, my friend. This is a fancy race car. Nice to meet you.
Nice
Yeah,
to meet you
thank you for showing us your car.
So it's day 2 here. This is game day. This is when everything goes down. I'm here with Arik. He's the president of Driftmasters. We're sitting up here in VIP. The drivers have really stepped it up.
Guys, the best in Europe. This is the League of Champions.
Every driver is a champion of sorts in their own country. I'm happy to be here.
Yeah,
Thank you for taking us out here.
Of course.
I know you're busy. I just want to sit back, relax, and watch it. How's that for no practice? James's car was not started like 3 minutes ago. They had to rewire some stuff to the ECU out there. He's out there for the first run with no gauges. He doesn't know if the oil pressure's fine. He has nothing, no electronics. So he's good, doing pretty well.
Top 16's about to start.
Look at this place.
Stadium drifting is no joke. Welcome to Top 16. I've got underglow on my hat now because it's time to party.
Oh, look at that guy.
First battle.
Woo, woo, woo.
That car right there is insane. James Deane is insane. I'm glad we waited until the Top 16 to come down here because we're only going to see the best of the best, and this is the best view.
This is a difference here rather than America. They have fire and stuff shooting off the whole time.
It's a stadium.
It's a stadium.
The presentation. This is a fun event. Yeah. All right, it's time to party. Put my neons back on.
Get it.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, I don't even know what to expect right now. Goosebumps. Look at that. This is the best play. I'm so mad we weren't here all day. Ready to see the best chase ever?
I'm not sure I'm ready for this.
don't give up. James running out there to check on him, high five him. He ran all the way across the track.
James the Machine.
Deane! Oh, you smell gross. I have to wear the suit tomorrow. Well, in a few hours.
Hey, it's time to wrap it. Driftmasters GP has been amazing.
Whoa!
That's how you know.
Cracking like a top.
That's how you know he's going to
Wait.
Cracking like a top.
Oh man,
locked up.
locked in.
That's how you know he's going to win drift shifters.